Hi all, today we will see how to connect your RHL machine which we configured in a previous video using Oracle VM VirtualBox. So for this we will open Oracle VM VirtualBox. We will go to the settings, for network settings, networks. This checkmark should be checked, enable network adapter. Attached to that we have to make changes, bridge adapter. Then Dell Wireless 1802 is showing. So we have to verify that is our native machine adapter. So right click here, open network and sharing center, check change adapter. Here like I have connected to a Wi-Fi, so it's showing Dell Wireless 1802.802. So in this way you can verify the value of this. If you go to advanced, you have to select all VMs. Click on OK, then power on this machine. So machine is getting power on. You may hit enter key or else wait for 5 seconds. Say it's running now. If you press the escape key, you will able to find all the services which are coming up. So these are the services that are coming up while booting the system. If you again press the escape key, you will be on a GUI prompt. So we got this our login window, but we don't want to log in as a Amit. So I will click on not listed and I will pass the username root and password of that root user. Then I will click on sign in. So this is our desktop of RHL 7. So we have to open a terminal, right click, open terminal, or else you can go to applications. You can go applications, utilities, then terminal. Over the terminal we will execute a command IP space A to see whether ETH got IP or not. So our NIC card ENP0S3 is not having any IP. So for this we have to check the configuration file of ENP0S3. So for this we will go vi/etc says config network-script ifcfg ENP0S3. If you hit the enter key, you will able to see the onboard value of this is no. So that means we are not getting the IP. So I am just replacing this no to yes and saving this. Now I will restart the network. Service network restart. So I am restarting a service. So now I am restarting the service. Service network restart. So network is getting restarted. It's done. So again we will check IP space A. Okay, now if you check ENP0S3 got one IP which is 192.168.0.26. So we'll try to ping this IP from our native machine, Windows machine, window R, then ping 192.168.0.26. Okay, we are getting a reply. So now we will try to connect this RHL machine from putty, using a putty from our native machine. I already installed this putty in my system. So I am using the IP 192.168.0.26. Hit the enter button. Now we have to pass the login name root, then password for that root user, and we got the prompt, login prompt successfully. It's showing root at that local host. Okay, so in this way you can connect your RHL machine from the Windows machine. So putty is a software which will help you connect to your Linux machine from the Windows machine. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.